Hello everyone, this is the second puzzle in our woodpecker method series, and in this position it is white to play. So this is a very complex and dynamic position where king is in the center, is also not be safe, so both kings are very open. These kind of positions are generally double edge. Anything can happen and any side can win. We have to be very good in our calculation. So few things that we can observe before starting calculating this game is that black, these two pieces are out of the game. Only this bishop is open and controlling this diagonal. This rook is also out of the game. This bishop is also not that active, blocked by both of his pawn. Only he's active on only this diagonal. Queen is also a bit out of the place, blocked by this pawn, so she can't come and support in the defense. Right side, these two pieces are out of the game. Queen is also a bit out, but still, if this rook is not there, then this queen may come there. Next thing we have to see. And the third thing, which is most important, is that this black king is on the white square, and we have a white square bishop. So suppose if this pawn is not there, then it will be direct check. Out very quickly in any position. Where what is the color of white king? What is the color of black queen? Queen, and do we have a bishop or something like that? Especially color matters uh, in the area of bishop. So basically, this king, like this bishop is, and also this knight is undefended. So suppose if this rook is not there, then this queen can simply capture this knight. Before going into capture and threat, we will go with the proper process, and that process is CCT: check, capture, threat. So we will start with the finding moves for the continuous check, and if that doesn't work, then we'll go to the captures, and if that also doesn't work, then we'll go to the threat. So let's start with finding how many checks white have. The first is, of course, this rook capture on g3, check. Then we have to calculate if queen captures on g3, what will it do? It will come with a check. Maybe we have to bring this bishop back, and then this knight may also come and give check. It will be very dangerous. There, and then yeah, then nothing. Then white has to keep play and struggle. Apart from this rook capture on g3 check, white also has rook f8 check. Now we have to see what black can do. Of course, black can simply capture this, and now we have to see what we can do. So we, like, this was the check. We have to think of check. So rook goes to rook f8 check, bishop captures. Now we have check. For example, queen goes to queen g4 check, but it will be a big blunder because this bishop will come. We generally miss this kind of moves. A wrong long range attack, and we have to be very careful of this long range. Check is if we play this d6 move, then this diagonal for this bishop will be open and it will pick check. Black king is in check. Black king can't go there and can't go on this square. Diagonal has to be blocked. So either this bishop can come there, but if bishop come, then we can simply capture this, and again it's a That this queen may go there, but then we will simply capture the queen, then again check. Let's check. These two bishops are doing very nice work and it's a checkmate. So you'll see we even didn't need this queen. So this we were able to do because we were following a method. First we will see the check giving moves and we didn't even need to go to the captures. So this was the solution. These kind of solution, first we have to see where are our pieces and where they are attacking. For example, this bishop of this king. So these two squares are already controlled by this bishop. Second, nicely controlling this f5. Third, this bishop is very strong if this pawn is not there. So we should be try to think of finding a way to push this pawn so that it. The third, we can only push this pawn when this bishop is not there. And we are thinking of CCT, so check giving move. So this was the second check. After this check, if this bishop is not there, then it's a checkmate because black king can't capture, can't go there. Right now, this bishop is there, so black is forced to capture this. Now, after capturing this rook, what this black bishop is doing, it is blocking this king. Now, black king has only two squares. By this bishop, we only need to control this one, and that we can do with this bishop. Now it is a checkmate. Only black can prolong this by putting this bishop or this queen, but then this bishop. This is how we solve any puzzle by CCT method.